And I'm trying to show you real life driving in a huge metropolitan city. But I'm going to get him out here and support him, pour into him, give him confidence. Many of you have said negative things. You know, this is not real life. You're doing too much. They're overthinking it. None of you have been in a driver's ed seat with me. You're in this passenger seat. This person's going 30 in a 50. This person's going 40 in a 55. This is real life. And I'm safe. I have both hands on the wheel. I have a phone mounted, camera mounted system. So I'm just trying to be safe. I'm at 70 in the slow lane. Feel me? I'm at 70 in the slow lane. So I'll be getting off at the next exit. They'll be outside. I'm lifting my foot because basically I'm running about 15 minutes behind, but I'm not going to kill myself. Okay? E, thank you. E, if I was driving you, I'd text you, hey, I'm there. Traffic is tight. Okay? Real talk. And a lot of these instructors, no cap, no hate, they're talking about the UK, and that's all fine. Yes, I am. I'm about to drive a 20 to a 23-year-old man, a co-worker's son. It's about relationships, okay? And I'm getting off. I'm at about 50 miles an hour, and I've squeezed my brake. This is the service drive. To the right. People don't stop at that stop sign. You gotta be patient, 100%. And if you're not patient, the person won't want to drive with. Thank you for the thumbs up. We on fire. Let's keep it going. Okay, I'm gonna go over the crossover. I like when I cross you over and you fall down because of basketball. This is just like New York, Detroit, Chicago, Illinois. You do have to interact with people. And many of you are coming here to watch, to hear the story, the journey, okay? And this is a very dangerous turn, and I'm trying to wait. Across the street, a person's life was taken at this Metro store, so it's real life out here. I'm just waiting. I'm timing it, okay? I'm trying to time it. Here I go. There's my gap. You have to be able to do that. And if you can't, then you won't be consistent. We're on the service drive. The license plate reader is here. In certain communities where there's a lot of crime or violence, they have license plate readers. This area is radar enforced. Come up and stop. You gotta have a complete stop. Don't be garbage and not stop. I'm in the hood, girl. You already know. But they have radar detectors. You already know, E. They have radar license plate readers everywhere, girl. You know we in the hood. Ooh, dang. All right. And then the client will be coming out unless you're chilling. The improvised, yes. Improvised communities where they're trying. Yeah, 100%. That's a whole new topic, right? You can say the demise of the black family. We can make excuses. I'm not here to make excuses. If I made it, you can make, right? Oh, it's going to be good today. It's going to be real. We're going to pour. We're going to talk. Why you're 21, you're in your 20s. How come you don't have a license? You missed 2 drives before. If I didn't call, I would have showed up here for nothing. So we are here, we're waiting. And I just try to keep it 100% copacetic with all of you. Because right now you're going to see a gift. You're going to see a young man who wants to learn, who is ready, but this is only his 3rd or 4th drive. Can he drive? Most of the time. It's only been on the freeway once or twice. Can he park? We've really worked on parallel parking. We went live before. We talked about parallel parking. Can he improve? We're here to improve every single day. I'm trying to improve as a content creator and instructor for you. The Meta Ray-Ban, the Jack phone hold, trying different systems to bring better content to you. When I go live, there's a lot of stuff that's going on in Florida in terms of people, thank you, E, in terms of people who are struggling to get out onto the road. In communities of color and in some white communities, driver's ed is too expensive. I said it. So you have a group of people who will wait till they're 18, 20, 25. I had a woman message me who was 63. She said, thank you for making these videos. I am 63 years old. I'm on my own again. I don't know if she got divorced or her husband passed or she got cheated on. She said, your videos really empowered me. I was in tears when she said that to me. So that really made me think, I understand my purpose and direction is to help people become independent. You got to have a job if you're going to get a car. Mom and dad are not going to keep putting money in your hand. They're not. And here's my client now. You're going to see him come out. Okay. You're going to see him come out. That's him right now. You're going to see him walk up and you're going to see him come out. Okay. So I'm going to switch. I want you to see this. Then we're going to go. What up, boy? get comfortable. You okay, man? Let's get her. We got the bungee cord holding it together. I broke it a minute ago. Take your time, get comfortable, get set. I'm glad you're back. I want to get you to that road test facility and have you work on your skill set. We're not even gonna waste time. Do a U-turn. We're gonna get you right on the road.